Today we have with us Vishal Virani, CEO and co-founder of Rocket. Rocket just raised 15 million with Axel and Salesforce Ventures. We have almost 5 million in ARR. We have 500,000 of active users in the orbit, and the story is just getting better and better.
First, for our users, it's going to be without any funding, we were able to reach at this scale. Now with this 15 million is going to be a fuel for us, which will help us to escape the gravitational force and help us to land at the moon at the first destination. And when I say is landing at the moon, that means we are going to come up with many exciting features and innovation for our users. Okay, anyone can build from anywhere. It's not about the Surat. This is a simple example or a milestone that I want to dedicate to the entire world, the builder of the worlds, where they always shy away with the location. So okay, zip code does not matter. If you have an idea, just go and build.